kitchen. Today, it is Easter. Happy Easter. Little bunnies hop in. Woo, woohoo, woohoo, woo, woo. So today is Easter and we have a very fun, special, busy bacon for you guys. But before we get started, how do you catch a unique rabbit? You sneak up on it. How do you catch a tame rabbit? The tame way. And for Easter, I don't really have any Easter shirts, but I do have my very funky tie-dyed Spunky shirt. Ain't that his name, Spunky? It's Spunky. I was right, y'all. Watched some Rocco's Modern Life way back in the day. Alright, today on Busy Bacon, it's going to be very fun. It's going to be very interesting because I'm not a decorating person. But just for you guys on Easter, I'm going to try to make a bunny butt cake. So, let's get started and see what we're going to do. Shh! We're filming! So what I have set up here, if you guys can see it all, because everything's kind of spread out, is I have some vanilla icing. I don't like to use store-bought icing, but just because this is probably going to turn out to be a humongous disaster. We got vanilla icing. I've got vanilla icing dyed green. I've got some coconut shreds. Shredded coconut shreds sounds weird. I made a vanilla cake and I made 3 cupcakes, and then I had one like ball pan. It's not all the way around, but it's like a half a sphere type pan thing. And I did that. I shaved the tops off of all of them, well, technically the bottom of the ball cake. And then I took some fondant, dyed it pink, cut a little bit bigger circle, and then 3 little circles to be the little pads of the feet. I don't know how any of this is gonna work. We're gonna figure it out. Y'all know I ain't a decorator, but this is what we working with, and we're gonna put it together to make a bunny butt. Like he's digging in a hole and his butt stuck up. So first, I'm gonna take the green and just spread it on the bottom of my cake pan. I'm just a little bit overwhelmed because I don't decorate, so we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna take my little spatula. Actually, I don't even know where to start to put the grass down. Put the grass down, put the bunny butt on the grass, or put the bunny butt down, put the grass around the bunny butt. I feel like it'll be easier to put the grass down, then put the bunny butt on top. So I'm basically just gonna ice this plate for virtually no reason whatsoever. So now I'm gonna take my ball and I'm gonna place it a little off center so the feet can go behind it. So I'm just gonna sit my bunny butt right there. Now I think I'm gonna ice my bunny butt before I put the bunny feet on. Oh, you know, I probably shouldn't have put the grass down first because I'm going to end up putting the coconut on it and it's going to fall all in my grass, and then it's going to look like my bunny's hair's falling out. My bunny has alopecia. Alright. The bunny butt looks covered. Okay, should I coconut this before? Okay, let me try that. I'm just gonna, I don't want to get a lot of coconut in my grass. This is why I don't decorate. It's stressful, and we just got started. Well, that did work, but then it didn't work. I might have to scrape up the grass and put down all new grass. Maybe this is why we shouldn't put the grass down first. Maybe I should have read some instructions. I saw the picture. I'm pretty sure if I go back and look, the instructions are gonna say, don't put the grass on first. Alright, so we just rolling the bunny's butt in coconut. Shredded coconut. Alright, I'm gonna have to get the grass up anyways. Alright, so the bunny butt is covered. It actually kind of does look like a little furry scrape up, now that we done got started, I'm gonna scrape up some of this grass that don't have stuff in it so I can save it for later. So if you decide to make this bunny butt cake, don't put your grass down first, because you're gonna be worried about your grass, while you should be worried about covering your bunny butt. Okay. Should I ice these before I put them on? I'm gonna go with yes. Like for me holding it, but I should at least ice the sides. Why did we determine I needed to do a bunny butt cake, Tom? I would like to succeed at this type of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 little skewers where the legs should go in the bunny butt. Okay, there's 1 feet. I got icing everywhere. Why is this so difficult? I can bake. Why is anything that needs to be pretty difficult for me to do? Now I need to scratch my nose, but I don't want to end up oh, you gotta come scratch my nose. Cause I got icing everywhere. And I don't want icing on my face for the whole video. Okay, right there. Right there. Right in the corner, right there, right there. Thank you. Okay, now this one's a mess as well. Okay, there's just 2 little feet. They kind of look like feet. My hands are covered in icing. I don't even know if I'm in the frame of the video at this point. Can you not see that your mother is in a stressful situation? Is that why you're in here, to assist your mother, or are you in here because you want something to eat? Okay. Oh no! It's gonna pull it off the skewer. How do people do this? Stick a skewer down here to hold this while I... Okay, so we had battery issues with one of the cameras. We had to... No ma'am. We had to change the battery, and all that did was give me enough time to sit here and realize that my bunny butt is not coming along lovely. Get on there! I don't got no ears to put on my bunny butt. But you can see brown. Like, some bunnies have brown spots. My bunny has brown spots. Alright, I'm gonna put my bunny's little paws on the bottom of his feet. I'm gonna stick these on. Are they gonna stick? I hope so. Don't fall off with paws. Y'all can't see what I'm doing over here, can you? I'm gonna have to turn my bunny butt cake around and let you see how absolutely wonderful it looks from this side. Yeah, honestly probably looks better from your side. So I'll probably just better let you keep looking at it from your side. Okay, I got his feet on. Now let me put some hair on his tail. His little cotton tail. No bunny supposed to have that much. Whoosh! No bunny supposed to have that much fur built up around his butt. Shh. We're filming! Have you no regard for YouTube? YouTube doesn't even have regard for YouTube. Okay, now I'm gonna put the fur, the fuzz, around his feet. Not on the bottom of his feet, because the little pads on the bottom of his feet. You don't need fur on the pads at the bottom of his feet, but he does need it around his little feet. Like his little ankles. He's got cute little ankles. Yeah, we definitely should have not put the grass down first, but hindsight is 20/20, so we know the next time I decide to not make a bunny butt cake that the grass goes down last. Okay, he's got fur now. Coconut, don't you fall on my grass. I just scratched my face. I bet you I got coconut and icing on my face. Alright, let's clean him up before we present the bunny cake. Well, that made it look cute. Alright, y'all, we have finished the bunny butt cake. And I had to vacuum it off just a skosh, so he had a clean bunny butt. Oh, I've got coconut everywhere. I added a few little jelly beans around it, just a couple little piles. I didn't put one behind his butt because that one might think he was pooping jelly beans. But he's got a couple of piles of little jelly beans set up. And you could probably find some like little green string shoelace looking candy and put in there like there was little carrots like he was after. He'd been really cute with ears. I didn't have ears. I was not making fond of ears, y'all. I barely got these fond of feet done. But we have got a bunny butt cake. We're gonna do some slow-mo shortly. But here's my bunny butt. That's the front. Here's the back of my bunny butt. He actually turned out really cute. I'm kind of proud of my bunny butt. I know what to do different next time. But he is my cute little bunny butt, and he does look pretty cute, so I'm excited. Even though I'm not gonna eat it because I don't need coconut. But I'm excited, y'all. This is my bunny butt cake. It's Easter. Happy Easter. I hope the Easter bunny was good to you, and if he was not, tell me down below, and I will find him and make sure he comes back, even if it ain't Easter, because that ain't even right. Alright guys, this was a very fun and exciting adventure, if that's what you want to call it, fun and exciting. But we got the bunny butt cake done. We'll find out at the end of this video how many times I said bunny butt. And that's all. I'm exhausted now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you make a bunny butt cake or something like this, send me pictures so that I know. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Gina Tandarich, and send me pictures. I would like to see your Easter cakes, because some of y'all, I know probably 99% of y'all are a lot more artistic than I am with this, but I am proud of my bunny butt cake. So hit that like button, guys, and hit that subscribe button, because y'all know y'all want to. We put out videos on Tuesdays, every Tuesday, and like today is Sunday, and you still got an extra video. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any other videos that we put out, and we will see y'all next time. Stay sweet, y'all. I ain't cutting into this cake. Ain't nobody eat this cake. I took too long to make this cake, and I'm just gonna sit it up there.